welcome to Art's Toy Review. Today we're going to be building some velociraptors, a lot of them. About 3 velociraptors and a big dino. Let's start with this velociraptor. He hasn't even got a mouth. You can see his fangs. Here's his mouth. Go on, Mr. Badmouth. That feels better. Who thinks we should leave the velociraptor with no arms? Nah, we should give him some arms. 1 arm. Here's his number 2 arm. Now he can dance. At the very end of this video, the raptors are going to do a conga line. It's going to be hilarious. And these arms can't come off. So I'm sorry if you wanted to see them come off. I'm sorry about that. Now he's a mouthless raptor. No, we need to give him his mouth. Go on, bad mouthy. This mouth seems like he's being naughty to me. I think I've got it. Yay! I've got my mouth now. Raptors are lining up ready for that conga line at the very end. Who cannot wait for the conga line? This is a half-done raptor. If everybody's thinking about the conga line, it's coming up soon. So stay tuned. We're nearly ready for the raptor conga line. But the big dinosaur's coming up next. Oh, that's his head. He's dancing without a head. What do you think this is? Dancing without a head school? Now he's got a head. Now, raptors in the conga line. Now, the raptors want to dance. Thank you for watching. Bye, see you next time. And our raptors are just saying goodbye. Goodbye, viewers. Goodbye, viewers. Goodbye, viewers. Goodbye.